Hey everybody! So today I wanted to walk through how you can use GleanQuote CPQ to get the right configuration, the right price, and deliver even the most complex proposal and quote to your customer in just minutes. So let's first start by taking a look at the customer. Here we have Cynthia Blue, the CEO of Commercial Blue Airlines. They're a gold level customer, so they get 25% off pricing, and a commercial airline company. We can use proposal rules to filter out any template based on a condition. So that way, rather than seeing every template available, when we're keying in a proposal for Commercial Blue, we see only the template that applies to that customer. And we can use price list management to make sure that Cynthia gets her 25% off. With the proposal loaded, one of the unique features with GleanQuote is that our CPQ and quote engine actually lives inside a proposal template, and you can save off as many different templates as you need to have them pre-configured and ready to go, saving the sales rep a lot of time. But this also allows you to place the quote inside the proposal where it fits the best and it becomes part of the proposal, not a separate page. So let's go ahead and dive in and start configuring this airplane. Inside the quote table, Custom Commercial Airplane is already preloaded based on the template, and I can see it requires configuration. The configuration actually starts with guided selling. Answering a few simple questions can steer me into the right product. GleanBus 7000 is the only airplane that meets those criteria. Now that we've selected the GleanBus 7000, let's go ahead and start building out this fleet. Cynthia knows that if she orders 5 airplanes, she jumps up to her Tier 2 pricing in her volume pricing model, giving her an additional 10% discount. We can check that in the proposal as well, making sure that the pricing has reduced by 10%. Now, as we begin the configuration for our airplanes, let's go ahead and select some upgraded options for the cockpit. These drop down as fixed products below, and can even have options of their own beneath them. And as each product is selected, it adds to the list and updates the total, reflecting the price of those products. As I continue to configure, we've used option rules and guided selling to select whether or not we're including a first class cabin. If selected, another feature drops down below to allow us to select which bundle goes into the first class cabin. The build your own option allows me to customize my bundle with exactly what I want to include and gives me some helpful sales tips along the way to guide me. However, since I know I'm going with a first class cabin, let's go ahead and select the first class bundle. So now as we finish up this quote, we've gone ahead and selected our main cabin configuration using economy class bundle. We selected a couple of extra upgrades that use calculated pricing based on a percentage of the total price of the airplane. And we've gone ahead and selected our maintenance package as monthly maintenance. Going back to the main quote table, we can see that all the quantities are correct based on component level pricing or pre-configured by the bundles, and that all pricing is rolled up to the main price of the airplane. And we can see that monthly maintenance, since it was set up for monthly recurring pricing, shows as a separate line in the subtotal. Now that the quote's completely configured, we can take a look at the proposal. Since we started with a template, everything's configured and ready to send to the customer. You can see that we've chosen not to show every line item in the airplane, that would be many pages, and we've chosen to show some images for some of the upgrades. We've selected Cynthia as the recipient and verified that our pricing is correct and our monthly maintenance shows up correctly as well. Now we're ready to send the proposal. Sending the proposal is as easy as clicking the send button. On the send screen, we've included a custom message, an expiration date, and even some helpful reminders. We've also included an attached file so Cynthia can learn more about the premium avionics we've included as an upgrade. Here we can see that one of our approval rules has kicked in. All quotes over $2 million need to be approved just to make sure everything's right before we send it to the customer. So that's how easy it is to configure a quote for something as complex as an airplane, make it look great for your customer, and send it off for approval. Are you ready to learn more? Go ahead and click Book Demo and we'll walk you through how you can configure proposals and quotes for your customers even if they're not as complex as building an airplane. Have a great day.